Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone not ringing when locked. Many iPhone users have complained that they are facing an issue where iPhone is not ringing when it is locked. Some other iPhone users have noticed that their iPhones do not ring at all sometimes. This can be a serious issue and those iPhone users can miss any emergency calls and messages which can impact their work or personal life. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for, ensure iPhone is in ringing mode. Sometimes users are unaware that they have turned their iPhones into silent mode. When the iPhone is in silent mode, it does not notify users of any incoming calls, messages or other notifications even though the iPhone is not locked. Therefore, we suggest our viewers try checking if their iPhone is in silent mode. If it is, then turn into a ringing mode by toggling the silent mode switch on the side of the phone. And that's it. And the next step is disable the do not disturb focus mode. The focus mode called do not disturb behaves just like the silent mode. This does not notify users regarding any calls or messages. Users generally activate the do not disturb focus mode because it can be scheduled according to the user's convenience. So check if this focus mode is enabled. If yes, please turn it off and see if your iPhone rings when locked or not. For this, go to settings, tap on it and then tap on focus and then tap on do not disturb mode. If it is turned on, then tap on its toggle button to turn it off. And you are done. And the next step is disable silence unknown caller setting. There is a feature called silence unknown callers where any calls you get from unknown number will not be notified to you. Instead, it gets to voicemail and will be reflected in the recent call list. So if this feature is enabled on your phone, you might face this issue. For this, go to your settings page, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on phone. Scroll down. Here you will see the option of silence unknown callers. Tap on it. If it is turned on, then tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is disconnect the Bluetooth device. When your iPhone is connected to any other Bluetooth device like AirPods, etc., you will not be able to hear the ringing tone from the iPhone. Instead, it rings through the Bluetooth device connected. So it is better to disconnect it and from your iPhone after use. For this, open the settings page, tap on it and then tap on Bluetooth. If it is turned on, then turn it off and you are done. And the next step is turn off the call forwarding feature. The call forwarding feature on any device, make sure that whenever you receive any call, they will be just forwarding to the number provided by you. If this is activated on your iPhone, you will not get any calls and hence your iPhone does not ring when locked. For this, open the settings page, tap on it, scroll down and find phone, tap on it. Here you will see the option of call forwarding, tap on it. Wait for a second or two till it's load the page. Now disable the feature by tapping on the call forwarding toggle button. This will deactivate the call forwarding and you will start noticing that your phone will ring when you receive any calls when it is locked and you are done. And the next step is to start your iPhone. This can also be simply fixed sometime by just restarting the iPhone. To restart your iPhone, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and here you will see the option of shutdown, tap on it and then slide to power off. After that, to start your iPhone, you need to press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and check if the problem is fixed or not and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. When the iOS of your iPhone is outdated, this can cause issues. So we recommended our viewers try updating the iPhone. This fix would be to check if there is any update available for your iPhone. For this, you have to go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there are any updates available, please tap on download and install to update your phone. Once the update is done, check if the issue still persists or not and you are done. And the next step is turn on the airplane mode and then turn it off. Several users have claimed to have resolved this problem by just enabling the airplane mode feature and then disabling it on their iPhones. Therefore, we recommended doing it. For this, go to your settings, tap on it and at the top you will see the option of airplane mode. Turn it on and after some time turn it off again. And you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. If any of the settings in the iPhone is changed, then this problem might tend to occur. When detecting which setting is causing this issue is impossible. Resetting all settings is the only way to resolve it. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset all settings, tap on it. Require your passcode, so enter your passcode. Once it is done resetting all settings on your iPhone, check if the fix worked or not, and you are done. The next step is check if the incoming call number is blocked or not. And the simple fix would be to check if the incoming number is blocked by you by mistake. Sometimes it happens to many users that they unknowingly block some numbers from the recent list if they are not saved or something. So I advise our viewers to check all the numbers from the blocked numbers. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on phone, scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on blocked contacts and remove them so that they receive calls from those numbers too, and you are done. And the next step is factory reset your iPhone. When none of the methods work for you, all you have to do is the factory reset your iPhone and see if this helps. Please back up all your necessary personal data from the iPhone to your PC or iCloud, because the factory reset will erase all contents and data from your iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on erase all contents and setting, and then tap on continue option and follow all on-screen instruction on your iPhone. After your iPhone is factory reset, the problem should be resolved. I hope these solutions will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.